how to solve Instagram CSRF token missing. Hello guys, so all what you want to do to fix this problem is actually so easy. First thing, open the settings on your phone. Now as you can see, this is the settings on my phone. All what you want to do here is go to the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode and disable it again, and then go to the Wi-Fi and then turn it on and turn it off and turn it on again. And now open the Play Store or the App Store. If you have iPhone, you can do the same thing. Just go to the search bar right here, search for Instagram, and then click on this update option, and that's it. And if the problem is not fixed yet, then you have to go to the settings, open the apps manager, and then go to the apps on your phone and wait a few seconds. It will start loading as you can see. After it get loaded, scroll down until you find Instagram, click on it, and then click uninstall, and then go reinstall it again on the Play Store or App Store. Don't forget to like, subscribe.